Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on Lady Maria 51 channel. Today we will be preparing some delicious banana muffins. That's how we call them here, depending on what they call it in your country. So join me in making these delicious banana muffins. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré hablando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The ingredients to prepare the muffins are 4 ounces of oil, can be vegetable or corn, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 eggs. The eggs are at room temperature, 2 ounces of raisin. These raisins come in boxes like this. I need 2 boxes that are 2 ounces. 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. This flour is already sifted. 3/4 cups of brown sugar. And finally, 6 bananas. This is what we call it here. You need 6 bananas like this one. These bananas are already beaten. We do it like this with a fork. We mash it and it remains so creamy. These are the ingredients you need to prepare the muffin. Now join me in the procedure. Begin the procedure. We are going to add the ingredients to the flour. We add the baking powder, the cinnamon, the baking soda, and the salt. And we're going to mix it with a teaspoon just like this one until they are mixed well. Now we're going to add the banana to the blender. Add the eggs, the brown sugar, the oil, and mix until well mixed. Now we're going to add the flour that we had mixed with the other ingredients. Remember, now we're going to beat until well mixed. We stop the blender for a moment to take off what was stuck on the container walls so that everything is well mixed. Now we go back to the beating. As you can see, the ingredients have already been mixed. Now we will add the missing ingredient, which is the raisin. And we are going to mix so that they mix well. By then, pour the mixture into the baking cups. We have already prepared the tray with the baking cups. You can use the mold to make the muffin. You have to spray so that the muffin do not stick, and you add the mixture or use the baking cups and add the mixture. Let's add the mixture. We already put the mixture in the baking cups, as you can see. We pour it with a spoon of ice cream, as we say here. Now we will place the tray in the oven preheated to 375 degrees in bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Remember that not all ovens heat the same, so it takes 15 to 20 minutes. It all depends on your oven. When these cupcakes are ready, I'm going to show you. Let's see how our muffin turned out. Look how our muffin turned out. Look how nice our banana muffins are. I'm going to bring it closer so you can see it. This muffin took 15 minutes in the preheated oven. Remember that it all depends on your oven. We chopped one of these muffins so that you can see how they turn out. Look at the texture. Look how beautiful with its raisin. And they smell delicious. Well, you already have another recipe to make and share with your family. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel Lady Maria 51 and activate the bell so that you can receive our new video. See you in the next video.